everyone, welcome back to sheCoding YouTube channel. In the previous video we have studied about C programming. For a change today we will go with DBMS. Okay, hope you all know what is DBMS, database management system. Usually to display or to run the program we use SQL software. I'm using Oracle 10G Database Express Edition. This is how it looks when you open it. You need to set up a username and password. Usually username is same for all the system, that is system. So next I'll be logging in here. Okay, now go to SQL, then to SQL commands. So this kind of interface you can see here where you can type a SQL command. Hope you all have learned what are the basic commands to create a table, to insert a table, alter, update, delete and drop. First question of your lab cycle. It has 4 tables to be created. One is student, course, section and grade report. Create table. Student is a table name and then name is the name of column 1 along with data type, column 2 along with data type, column 3 along with data type, column 4 along with data type. Fine. So this is how you need to create. You need to write the column name with the data type. Yeah, so let me run this first. In order to run this command, we need to select whole line, then click on, can you see here run? Click on run. So table is created, no error found. Fine. Okay. Now let us go to the next table. Table name. So my second table is course. I need to insert course name, varchar, and then course number, that is also varchar, and then credit hours, also varchar, and depth. Depth is nothing but department. Okay, as you now know how to create a table, I'll create for remaining 2 and get back to you. All the 4 tables has been created. Then now I'll insert. Okay, so what is the command to insert? Insert into table name values. Okay, this is the command used to insert data into a table. According to the column name, in the same sequence you need to insert the data into the table. Fine. So my first table is student, so I'll change it to student. Now I'll insert a value. What are the values? One is Smita. So characters or alphabetic characters must be always written within the single or double quotes. Next 17. Next class is 1. Next CS. Okay. So I'll run it now. Okay. So one row is inserted to the student table. Okay. My second row. Just copy this and paste it below. Change the name to Brown. Change it to 8. Class is 2 and CS. Okay. So then select it, run it. So second row is inserted. I need to check whether my inserted data is added to table or not. So my table is student, right? So to student, I'll write select star from student table name. Okay, select star from student name. Star is nothing but it is used to print complete data of the table. Okay, if you specify select only name, okay, only name from student, then only the name column will be displayed. Okay, I'll show you in the further programs, but for now, for basic, just keep in mind select star from student. Just select it and run. So we have got the table here. Now I'll just insert for remaining 3 tables and get back to you. Fine. Now I have created the table and inserted the data into the associated table. Okay, so I'll print one by one. So this is the output that is displaying is student tables, and I'll display the course table. Okay, this is the course table, and I'll display the section table. This is the section table, and then grade report. Yeah, so this is the grade report table. Next command is to alter the table by adding section column to the section table and update the records to that column. Okay, so how it is done, I'll show you. So first we need to write alter. Which table we need to alter is table section. Okay, so alter table is the syntax, section is the table name, and then add. What should we add to this? we need to add section column. Okay, so section column is our column name along with data type. Okay, so done altering, we need to click it and run. So table is altered. Now I'll check where is my section table. I'll check whether it is updated or not by running the select start from section. Yeah, so this is my section column that is altered. Okay, now I need to update the data into this column. Okay, what is the command to update? Update table name. What is my table name? Section, and the keyword is set. Okay, what should we set here? Set section column is equal to any random name like A, B, C, any section. I'll give it as A within the single quote, where we need to enter the condition here. So what should be my condition? Where my section identifier is equal to 85. Okay, because the unique thing that is in the table is the section identifier. Okay, what is the unique value here? Section underscore identifier. So in order to not make the mistake while typing, you can just copy paste it from where you have created the table. So here just copy it and paste it to avoid the mistake. Okay, paste it and is equal to 85. First section identifier is 85. So 85 section identifier person will have a section A. Okay, so now I'll check whether it works or not. Just select the update line and run. Yeah, so one row is updated. Let me check whether is it updated. Yeah, see, can you see the first line here? Can you see the first line? It is updated with section. Copy this line, Control C, Control V, paste it. Now change it to 92. The next one is 92, so change it to 92. Give it as B. Okay, then select it, run. So one more row is updated. Third one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, so 92 has been updated. The next roll number is, next section identifier is 102. I'll give it as C. Next is 112. I'll leave it as B. And next is 119. I'll give it as A. Then the last one is 135. It is C. Fine. We have entered it. Just select each line and click on run. Okay, every row has been updated. Now go to select star from section, run. Yeah, so all the sections are updated. So done with the third command. Next is delete Brown's grade report. Where is my grade report table? Here. So I will select it and run. So I've got the grade report here. Who is Brown here? I have two register numbers, 17 and 8. Now I should find who is Brown, right? So I'll go to the table 1, that is student table, and check who is Brown. So Brown register number is 8. So I need to remove the data that is present in 8. Okay, what should I do now? Read the command properly and then write the input. Fine. To delete a particular column or particular row, we use delete from table name. Okay, where condition. According to this syntax, I'll type now delete from, my table name is grade report. What is my condition? My condition is where register number is equal to 8, because they have specifically asked us to delete Brown's record. Okay, delete Brown's record. So what is the register number of Brown is 8. So I'll be removing this. So where register number is equal to 8. Okay, so I'll select it and click on run. 4 rows has been deleted. The last command is dropping the table. Drop table name. So according to this, I'll type my command drop table section. Okay, run. Table is dropped. Now I'll try to execute using select star from section. Will it work? So it is showing me the error that table or view does not exist. Okay, because we have dropped the table section. So section table is successfully dropped. So this is about the first program. Okay, now I'll move to the second one. Next database is employee database. where I have two tables here to create. One is employee, other one is emp salary. Okay, so let me create first and get back to you. So now I have created two tables, that is employee and other one is emp salary. What is the next thing I need to do? I need to insert the data into this table according to the columns. Okay, now I will insert into which employee table. Values are 1001, that is employee ID. Next is the first name. First name is George, and second name is Smith, and third is hire. So look at here, hire date. I need to give the data type as date. What is my address? 83 comma first street. Okay, next is city. City is Paris. Close the single quote and close. So now in the same way I'll insert 5 more rows and get back to you. So now I'll display how my table will look. So this is how my table is created. Next table, that is emp salary. So here I need to insert into, not employee, into emp salary values. So where this also has register number and then a salary. What is the salary? 10,000, and benefits is 3,000, and designation is manager. Okay, so in the same way I'll be inserting 5 more rows and get back to you. Now I'll display my emp salary table. So my emp salary table is also ready. To display first name, last name, address and city of all employees living in Paris. So this means Paris ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ employee first name, last name, address ಮತ್ತೆ city ನ print ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Select. ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಮಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ನ ಕೊಡೋದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬರೀ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್, ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಟಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್, last name, address, city from employee table. Where condition ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಿಟಿ is equal to in single quote write on Paris. So the persons who are living in Paris, I need their first name, last name and address and city. Okay, now I'll double click and run it. So you can see here only the person who are staying in Paris data has been displayed. So to display the content of employee table in descending order of first name, so I need to display entire table content in the descending order. Descending is nothing but decreasing order. So according to the first name I need to arrange it. Okay, so what will be my command? My command will be select star from employee table. I need to order by to arrange the table in ascending or descending order. So they have asked me to arrange it in descending order according to the first name. DESC is the command used to print in descending order. Now I'll run it. Entire table has been changed to according to this first name. What is my next question? Select first name and salary of salesman. I am linking employee and emp salary using dot operator, which is common in both. That is employee ID. Emp ID is common in both the tables. So I can access using employee ID the whole table. Correct? So employee dot emp ID should be equal to emp salary dot emp ID. Okay, this is my where condition and the designation must be a salesman. So now I'll get the output. See, only Monica is a salesman in this. Let me cross check with this. Okay, 1020 is the only salesman we have, and I'll go above who is 1020, that is Monica. So I hope you have got this line. We are accessing two tables here because my salary is an emp salary table and my first name is an employee table. We need to take the data from both table, that is employee emp salary, where what should be the condition? My employee.empid must be equal to emp salary.empid. Okay, the IDs that is present in both the tables must be equal and designation should be salesman. Done. So I'll go to the next command, that is to display the first name, last name, and total salary of all employees from the table employee and emp salary, where total salary is calculated as salary plus benefit. Here we need to calculate the total salary, that is salary plus benefit. Okay, we need to print first name and last name. Select first name, last name, and what they have asked for the total salary. So how do we calculate it? By adding salary plus benefits as total salary. From which table? Employee as well as emp salary, because I am accessing both first name, last name, and salary and benefits. So I need to take data from employee and emp salary. Okay, I need to put a condition, right? Where condition. So what will be my where condition is employee dot emp id should be equal to emp salary dot emp id. Okay, so this will be my condition, so that we are linking two tables here and we are taking the data out of two tables. Now I'll run this command. Okay, so total salary has been printed. Hope you have got this. Next is list the names of employees who are more than 1 year old in the organization. Okay, so here we are taking the date. So select what they have asked, names. So we'll take only the first name. Select first name from employee, where condition. This date minus higher date should be greater than 365. So what they have asked is who is more than 1 year old in the organization. So they should be more than, so greater than 365. System date is today's date minus higher date. Higher date is the date that we have given here. This is the higher date and must be greater than 365. So that will calculate 1 year older persons in the organization. Now I'll run it. The next is count number of distinct designation from emp salary. Let us check with the command now. So select, I will use count to check the distinct designation from emp salary, because designation is not mentioned in employee table, so it is mentioned in emp salary. So I'll count the distinct designation from emp salary. Okay, yeah, so I said I should get a 4 count and I have got it. Next command is list the employees whose names have exactly 6 characters. Select first name from which table? Employee table, where length of first name should be equal to 6. Okay, select first name from employee where length of first name is equal to 6. Now I'll select it and run. So there are 3 persons. Let me count. 336, 336, 336. Correct output. The next is adding a new column, phone number, to employee and update the records. Okay, we need to alter the table. As in the first program, I have taught you how to alter the table. So what is the command? Alter table, table name. What is my table name? Employee. So in the employee table, I need to add phone number. Okay, I need to add phone number. Phone number is of varchar 20. Okay, so I've altered the table. I'll now run it. So table altered. Now I'll update records. Employee, set phone number, set phone number is equal to some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that, where my emp id is equal to the first employee id is 1001. Okay, so this is my first employee id. I'll run it. Okay, one row is updated. Okay, so I'll update all the other rows. Okay, so now I will bring the updated employee table. Start from employee, run. So phone number has been updated. Okay, you can change the phone number later, or if you want, I have not changed it, I have kept same. The next command is list employee names who have joined before 15 June 2008 and after 16 June 2007. So I need to print now the employee names who have joined before 15 June 2008 and after 16 June 2007. Okay, so select first name from which table? Employee table, where my hire date should be lesser than equal to 15 June 2008 and hire date should be greater than equal to 16 June 2007. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಹೈಯರ್ ಡೇಟ್ 15th June 2008ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 16 June 2007ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅವರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಂದು ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಇರೋದು. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 3. Okay, the last command of this program is generate salary slip with the name, salary, benefits, HRA 50%, DA 30%, PF 12%, and calculate the gross. Order this result in descending order of the gross. So what does it mean? Listen to me carefully. We need to print the name, salary, benefits, and we need to calculate HRA of 50%, DA of 30%, PF with 12%, and we need to calculate the gross amount also. And we need to order the table according to the gross in descending order, means decreasing order. Okay, select, it's common. And what do we need? We need the first name, comma, then we need salary, comma, then we need benefits. Okay, and then we need to calculate HRA with 50%. So how do we calculate HRA? We need to calculate salary into 50 divided by 100. This is how HRA is calculated. Okay, as HRA. HRA will be our column name. Okay, if you get confused, I'll just go to the next line here so that you don't get confused. Next, what they have asked, DA with 30%. So salary into 30 divided by 100 as DA. Okay, next what they have asked, PF. How many percent? Salary into 12%, 12 divided by 100 as PF. Okay, we have calculated HRA as 50%, DA as 30%, and PF as 12%. Okay, now next what they have asked us to calculate the gross. So how do we calculate gross? Let me show you. Add salary and benefit first. After adding, add HRA amount plus DA amount, and then with this we need to subtract PF. Okay, from employee, comma, emp salary. What is the condition? Where employee dot emp id is equal to emp salary dot emp id. Okay, and what is the last command? I need to order it by gross. So in descending order, I need to order it by gross in descending order. So what did I use? I used order by for the gross in DESC, descending order. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ಸೆಪರೇಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 50% HRA ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 30% DA ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 12% PF ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ HRA ಪ್ಲಸ್ DA ಮೈನಸ್ PFನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಐ ರನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್. See, I have got first name, I have got salary, I have got benefits, HRA with 50%, DA with 30%, PF with 12%, and the gross, I mean total of all this is a gross. I hope ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. After typing it in Oracle, you need to select all, Control A. Okay, you need to select all and click on save here and give a name, program 2, and give the database name here, that is employee, and save it. Okay, this is how you save the program. In library database, we have two tables, that is book and book issued. Hope you all know how to create and insert the data into the table, right? So in the previous two programs ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಡೇಟಾ. ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೇನು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಟು ಶೋ ಬುಕ್ ನೇಮ್, ಆಥರ್ ನೇಮ್ and price of books of first publishers. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ನಾವು ಬುಕ್ ನೇಮ್, ಆಥರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾನು ಬುಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ನ, ಆಥರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಲಿಯಂ ಹಾಪ್ಕಿನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆನಾ ರೋಬರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ದ ಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಥಂಡರ್ಬೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Okay, the next command ಏನು? Display book ID, book name and publishers having quantity more than 8 and price less than 500. Select book ID, comma, book name, comma, publishers from book where quantity QTY is more than, greater than 8 and price is lesser than 500. So I'll print it now. ERP ಮತ್ತೆ TDH ಬರೀ ಎರಡೇ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Select book ID, book name, author name of books which is published by other than ERP publishers and price between 300 to 700. Okay, let us write a command now. Select book ID, book name and author name from book where publishers not in. So ಈ not in ನಾನು caps ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ so that you can understand it. Not in ERP and price between 300 and 700. Okay, so ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ. I have got 3 results. ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೋನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ, ದ ಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ C++. ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಅದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಈ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಫೈನ್. ದೆನ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಅ ಬಿಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಬುಕ್ ID, ಬುಕ್ ನೇಮ್, ಪಬ್ಲಿಷರ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, 4% ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಟ್, ಟೋಟಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಬುಕ್ ID, comma book name, comma publishers, comma price, comma quantity. Then 4% of VAT ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.04 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಇಂಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು as total. Instead of just total ನಾನು VAT total ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, so confusion ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So as VAT total. So this is how the VAT is calculated. Okay, from ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ? Booking. This is the simple command actually. Run. Yeah, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ calculate ಆಗಿದೆ, VAT total print ಆಗಿದೆ. So next command is display book details with book ID C0001, F0001, T0002, F0002. Hint, use in operator. ಅವರು ಒಂದು hint ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ that we need to use in operator ಅಂತ. Okay, we'll do it. Select ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ? ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ. ವೇರ್ ಬುಕ್ ID ಇನ್. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಸೊ ERP ಪಬ್ಲಿಷರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟುನು ಈ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಐಡಿಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. ರನ್. C0001, F0001, T0002, F0002. Correct? Yeah. Display books list other than type novel and fiction. So fiction ಮತ್ತೆ novel ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ನ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನೋವೆಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಿಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಬುಕ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಥರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಲೆಟರ್ A. ಸೊ ಎ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುವಂತ ಆಥರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬುಕ್ ವೇರ್ ಆಥರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಎಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುವಂತ ನೇಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಇ, ಈ ತರ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ. A in the start ಆಗೋ author name ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Anna Roberts and A.W. Rosine. Okay. Starts with a T but ends with S. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ book details ಬೇಕು. Select start from book where book name like T percentage S. Sorry, single quote miss ಮಾಡಿದೆ. T percentage S. So T in the start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, S in the end ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. T in the start ಆಗಿ S in the end ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next command is select book ID, book name, author name, quantity issued, where books dot books ID is equal to issued dot books ID. So let us write it. So select book ID, comma book name, comma author name, comma quantity issued from book, comma book issued, where book dot book ID is equal to book issued dot books ID. Okay, so this is my command and they have told the same to do it. Yeah, so ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕನು ಆಥರ್ ನೇಮ್ ತನಕನು ಬುಕ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ issued or book issued table in the ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. So we have merged both book and book issued table here. So next last command of this program is list the book name, author name, price in ascending order of book name and then on descending order of price name. So ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ನಾವು ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬುಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ನ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನ ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. Select book ID. Sorry, book ID is not mentioned. Select book name, comma author name, comma price from book, order by book name ASC. Okay, ascending. And one more, select book name, comma author name, comma price from book, order by price DESC, descending. Okay, so I have written two commands also for ascending book name in ascending order and price in descending order. I'll execute the book name first in ascending. So C comes first, next M, next T, 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 T. Okay, now go with the price. 7 comes first, 6, 3, 55, 3, 3. Correct. So that's it. So the next database is lab. Okay, so we have some equipment details and we have only one table here. I'll just create it and get back to you. I have already created the table equipment details and I have inserted data into that table, and now I have printed it using select star from table name. Okay, so the table looks like this. Now let us perform operations on it. Okay, so first operation is to select the item name purchase after 31st 10 2007. They have told us to select the item that are purchased after 31st. This is the date of purchase. Select item name from, okay, from this table where date of purchase should be greater than or equal to 31st, right? 31st October 07. Okay, let me print it now. So I've got 4 output. Okay, then next command, extend the warranty of each item by 6 months. Select warranty plus 6 months I should extend divided by total months, that is 12, as extended warranty from equipment table. Now I'll print it. So all the details of extended warranty has been displayed because I'm only displaying the warranty and not anything else. If I need the item name along with the warranty, that also I can do it by adding item name here. So now I can know which item will have how many month of warranty. So next is display item name. Display, as I read the question I'll be typing display item name, date of purchase and number of months between purchase date and present date. I will use trunk keyword to calculate this. sys date minus date of purchase. This date is nothing but the system date, means present date minus date of purchase divided by 30. That is total number of days in a month. Okay. Next, close this as a month. Okay. From which table? From equipment table. Okay. Now I'll run this. So I've got it. According to today's date, it is this. If you are executing the program like after 1 month or 2 months, then this date may vary. To list the item name in ascending order of the date purchase where quantity is more than 3. So date purchase ascending order irbeku, quantity 3 ginta jasti irbeku. From equipment details, and where quantity should be greater than 3 and order by date of purchase in which order? Ascending order. Okay, so I'll run it. Computer and UPS. My next command is to count the number average of cost per item of item purchased before 1st Jan 2008. So 1st Jan 2008 ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಐಟಮ್ದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಐಟಮ್ದು ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ನ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕೌಂಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್. Select count number. You might be thinking, what is number? So number is the serial number, comma, where I need to calculate the average of cost per item. According to this, I need to calculate the average of this from equipment details table. And there is a condition where item should be purchased before 1st Jan 2008, where date of purchase should be before, means less than equal to 01 Jan 2008. Okay, so according to this, it should print now 14,000, count is 3. So my next command is to display the minimum warranty, maximum warranty period. So minimum and maximum warranty, how to display it? Select, it is very simple, min of warranty, comma, max of warranty from equipment details table. Run it. So minimum warranty is 1, maximum warranty is 4. So minimum warranty is 1, correct. Maximum warranty is other than 4, we have no warranty. Okay. Next is to display day of the date, month, year of purchase in characters. So we have it in this form. Okay. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು characters ಅಲ್ಲಿ print ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How can we do it? So select to display date of purchase in words or in characters. We have a term called to_char. Okay. So what should be converted? Date of purchase should be converted. In which order? In DD, month, day and year from equipment details. Okay. This is the command. So 21st May, Monday 2007. So these all are displayed in the characters. We'll go to next command. To round off the warranty period to month and year format. Here we need to round off the warranty according to the month as well as the year. Select warranty into 12, that is 1 year. Okay, warranty into 1 year plus 6, converting it into the months. So as months, comma, warranty into 12 plus 6 divided by 12, converting it into year from equipment table. So let me print it now. We have got both months and the years. So next, to display the next Sunday from the date of 7/6/1996. Okay, we use the distinct term of next day. Which date they have mentioned? From 07/06/1996. So this is what they mentioned. So 06 should be converted into month and written, and we are searching for which day? Sunday. So we are telling the computer that we need the data of next Sunday from this date. Okay, from this date we need to find the next Sunday equipment details. Okay, so we'll print it. So 9th June 96. Suppose if we give today's date 28, June is June 24. I'll run it. So yeah, I got it. Correct. Next command is to list the item name which are within the warranty period till present date. So let us check with that. I need item name, comma. They have asked only the item name, to list the item name which are written, okay, which are within the warranty period. Okay, so select item name, only the item name from equipment details, where sys date minus date of purchase should be lesser than equal to the warranty. Okay, sys date is nothing but present date minus date of purchase should be equal to the warranty period. No data will be found because ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ as per this data, ಈ ಡೇಟಾನ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು 2007, 8, 5, 9 ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ 2 months, 4 months, 3 months. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಡೇಟ್ನ ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ರೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡೇಟಾ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೌಂಡ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ 4 programs. If you have any doubts regarding this, please do comment. If you found this helpful, please do share, like, and subscribe to my channel.